Hello Year 9, welcome to your final week of the term looking at Tectonics. The first two lessons this week are going to be focused on revising topics so far. In our learning journey, you're going to be completing three tasks. Firstly, to recap hazard, disaster and plate boundaries, then to describe shield and cone volcano characteristics, and finally to identify earthquake impacts and protection with two case studies. For this lesson, you're going to need a pen, paper and pencil, or a Word document. Again on your screen is a reminder of the tasks you should be aiming to complete based off your MG level. You don't have to stick to this and you can complete more tasks if you want to stretch and challenge yourself. For the first part of your learning journey, you're going to recap some key words from Tectonics. The words to recap are on your screen now. These are hazard, disaster, constructive plate boundary, conservative plate boundary, and destructive plate boundary. Each of the secure, developing and master tasks are on the screen for you to select which level you are working at based off your MG level. If you're looking to stretch and challenge yourself and your understanding on a whiteboard, can you explain which of the plate boundaries is land created and which is land destroyed? So you can pause the video, complete the tasks that match your MG level, and upload a picture with definitions, diagrams and hazards of each plate boundary onto class charts. The second part of your learning journey, we're going to look at two different types of volcano and their characteristics. Your task is to describe the characteristics and the hazards for each volcano. You can find the pictures, the questions, and the table attached in the resource section of your class chart lesson. Again, each of the secure, developing, and master tasks are on the screen for you to select which level you're working at based off your MG. For developing, the 6 characteristics you need for this are highlighted for you on your screen. So make sure that you also remember that a primary impact happens as a direct impact of volcanic eruption, and a secondary impact happens as a result of the primary impact. These happen later on. So again, you can pause the video, complete the task that matches your MG level, and upload a picture of your features for each volcano, along with your completed table of primary and secondary impacts onto class charts. The final part of your learning journey is looking at 2 earthquake case studies, specifically Haiti in 2010 and Japan in 2011. Your task is to identify the causes of each earthquake, the impacts, and use your work from week 4 to describe how these countries could predict earthquakes in the future. On the attached resource PowerPoint of this lesson are also the questions and the information needed for each earthquake to complete each level task. Again, these are on the screen for you to complete at the level that matches your MG. Each of the questions for the developing task are outlined here for you. There are 3 for Haiti and 4 for Japan. And there are also the primary and secondary impacts for Haiti and Japan highlighted on the screen again for you. It is your job to sort these out into the correct column of primary and secondary impacts. So you can pause the video, complete the task that matches your MG level, and upload a picture of the causes for each earthquake, and you complete a table of primary and secondary impacts onto class charts. Finally then, a recap of what you have to upload for each part of your learning journey. The first part of your learning journey, you will upload a picture or a screenshot of your definition for each of the keywords. For the second part of the learning journey, you will upload a picture of your features for each volcano, along with a completed table of primary and secondary impacts. For the last part of your learning journey, you will need to upload a picture of your causes for each earthquake and the completed table of primary and secondary impacts. Well done completing your work this week, Year 9, look forward to marking it.